The crazy thing is, most fatal heart attacks actually give warnings, weeks, even months in advance.
And this quote from a cardiologist? It absolutely nails the problem. We've been told the wrong story. Get this, one study found 63% of women had warning signs for more than a month before. Yeah, that whole Hollywood heart attack thing, it's a myth. And frankly, it's a deadly one. So why do the symptoms change so much after 60? Well, it all comes down to biology. It's a concept called altered nociception. Basically, your body's pain signals just get scrambled over time. So instead of that classic chest pain, the warning signal gets rerouted, causing really different symptoms. All right, so what are these quiet signals we need to be listening for? Let's break them down. First up is unusual fatigue. And I mean, this is not your typical "I'm tired" feeling. For women, this is the biggest sign. A whopping 70% reported this as their main warning. And here's the big mistake we all make. We just blame it on getting older or being stressed. You should also look out for new shortness of breath, jaw pain, or even bad indigestion. Okay, knowing the signs is one thing, but your action plan, that's what really saves lives. It's a simple 3-step plan. Know what's normal for you, talk about your real risk, and use the right words. Seriously, use these exact words with your doctor. No guessing games. This is about your health. Which brings us to the final and maybe most important point of this whole explainer. You see, the heart almost always sends a signal. The only real question is, are you listening?